All right, let's go ahead and get your dashboard upgraded. So to use the XSR9 early availability code, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and point a web browser to your Xangati appliance and bring up the login page. And instead of logging in, we're actually going to use this upgrade button. The other thing you're going to need is you're going to need the actual upgrade file that you downloaded from the Xangati website. Note that this file does not need to be unzipped, but will actually be ingested whole into the appliance in the step that we're about to do. So go ahead and click the upgrade button. And when Java comes up with the login prompt, you're going to log in with your administrative credential. And it's going to bring up the installer. And we're going to choose to upgrade the appliance software. And then you'll go ahead and say, yes, we're sure. We're going to go ahead and upload a build. You can guess what file this is going to be. It's basically going to be the one. Let's see here. And it's in my downloads. And you're going to pick off the file that you got from our website. And it'll go ahead and upload the file to the appliance. And when it's done, you're going to go ahead and hit continue. Now, at this point, the system is basically going to unpack the file, check it out, and ultimately come back and let us choose which code we want to use for the upgrade. And when this window pops up, you're going to want to pick the bottom one where it says XSR9, and it'll list whatever the current code is that's on the appliance, but we want to choose the one that we just uploaded. Hit OK. And at this point, the system is going to go ahead and begin to use that to go ahead and bring up the setup wizard actually for XSR9. And so you'll go ahead and you may have to go ahead and help it out by accepting some Java things. And it'll bring up a license agreement, which you can accept. And you can go ahead and put in email address. It's probably already entered from your initial setup of the appliance. And you'll notice that it says you're going to go from some previous release to XSR9 early availability. You'll want to preserve your database. We'll go ahead and hit the next button. It'll basically take you into the setup where you could make changes if you wanted to, but what I'd recommend you do is just go ahead and hit the finish button, and it will go ahead and upgrade the system. That's it. That's the entire process. At this point, it's going to go ahead and apply the upgrade to the system, and ultimately you'll be able to log back into it in a minute or two. That's it. Enjoy.